In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot inside a CapCut on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, I'm going to open up CapCut, and now I'm going to open up a project I've been working on. So I'm going to open up this project here, and now I want to take a screenshot of this video, say for a thumbnail for this channel here. So say if I want to take a screenshot of that, so I'll just make it full screen. So I want to use this, say for example, as a thumbnail for my YouTube video. I'll just minimize that and then make sure from there you'll see player, and then you have 3 horizontal bars, looks like a hamburger icon. Click onto that and then click on export still frame. So what that's going to do is going to download this still frame to your PC, and now choose where you want your location. So export to, I'm going to export it to my downloads. Click select folder, and then you can change resolution. I suggest having 2 or 4K to make it stand out. So I'm going to do 4K and then click export like so, and it'll say still frame has been exported.